Chainlink may add 2.5% by June 20, Gov Capital Collector shows. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. At this point, Chainlink has dropped 2.2% over the last day and is trading near $7.82. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. CoinDataFlow's forecast puts the price at $7.74 by June 20, about 1.1% below now. CoinPrice forecast projects Chainlink to move upward towards $7.84, a projected gain close to 0.2%. Digital coin price highlights the possibility of climbing to $7.94, an estimated gain close to 1.4%. A different prediction from Gov Capital Collector projects Chainlink might reach $8.02, about 2.5% higher than now. Finally, Crypto Predictions projects the price at $8.28 by June 20, 5.9% above current price. It's the most lucrative outlook overall. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a drop of 1.1% to a gain of 5.9%, depending on the analyst. Therefore, Crypto Predictions stands out with the highest projected return with 5.9% gain in value by June 20. In short, you could pocket between $2 and $59 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinPrice forecast carries a 93.1% probability of hitting the target. Using the full set of forecasts, I've worked out one unified consensus picture. The consensus forecast points to Chainlink moving higher by about 1.8% in the near term. Let's go a little deeper. Consensus guidance points to a 1.8% gain by tomorrow. And on that same note, your capital could also increase by about 1.8%. With 1,000, the calculation could show about $18 added. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 85.8%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. The outlook from CoinDataFlow shows the price drifting lower. CoinPrice forecast projects calm trading conditions with Chainlink anchored around today's levels. Digital coin price indicates that Chainlink could keep climbing. A gain is meanwhile anticipated by Gov Capital Collector, who remains bullish. The projection from Crypto Predictions also points to higher ground for Chainlink. By merging the individual forecasts, the consensus shows Chainlink trending upward across this short-term period. Summing it up, most analysts share a bullish view on Chainlink. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. Ultimately, the result was a close at $8.01. In the end, just one forecast was accurate on the trend. If we judge by accuracy, Crypto Predictions had the strongest forecast. Let's put all the pieces in place. Just one forecast was within the market's daily range. Looking at ROI, only Crypto Predictions showed a positive outcome. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. In today's review, 30 rates presented 90.6% forecast probability, $0.25 accuracy, and a return of minus 2.3%. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Chainlink and a few other cryptos. Tomorrow's projection puts Chainlink in third place, while Casper records 3% in expected performance. Here you can see Chainlink compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. That's it for this one. If this content made your research easier, please hit like. It means a lot. Alright, bye now.